Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, September 24, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM Digit Games, the 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, September 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 24, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, September 24, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 76 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 jackpot price estimates is 49.5 million pesos for September 24, 2023 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, September 24, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.